So, hello everybody. Today I want to speak a little bit about quality management in our company. Since 1.5 years we producing bonsai pots, and I think in 5 or 10% of the pots have some mistakes, cracks, whatever, but sometimes only small mistakes, and every time I had the discussion with my workers and sometimes with some customers, and that a pot with a little crack, it's good enough to use it, but I think it's not good, and I will tell you why. 25 years before, I visited first time Yiqing in China. Yiqing is a famous pottery town, and one of the best companies is Yiqing Lotus, and I had a meeting with the boss of Yiqing Lotus, and I want to buy pots from this company, but the boss can't accept an order from me because his brother was the sales representative in Germany. But we had a good discussion, and I asked him, in Yiqing you have hundreds of potteries which producing bonsai pots. In which way I can find out which company makes good quality or which makes not good quality? And he told me, look to the waste heap, to the waste hill. If the waste hill is big, then the quality is good. And if they have no waste hill, or it's only a small one, then they sell all the pots, and so this company normally this will be not a good business partner. The quality of these pots will be bad. And yeah, this story I think is very important, and so now I learn from that and I will do the same. But I have the same problem like my workers. If there's only a small mistake, sometimes they think, can we sell it or not? But to stop this discussion I hire a new co-worker, and the co-worker's name is Hammer, Mr. Hammer, and he is a tough guy, and he will be responsible for quality management, and I will show you in which way he will do that. For example, we have here a pot. You can see here there's a small crack in the bottom. Maybe it will withstand winter, but I think it's not the quality what we can accept. And this is also from Mr. Hammer. Here it's the same, nice glaze. I like this. I don't know what's the problem here. Yeah, you can see here a very small crack on the feet. Maybe it will have problems in the next winters. So I think it makes no sense to use such or to sell such pots. Let's just try it. A pot from me. What happens with that pot? Structure is nice, but I don't know what's the problem. Here the bottom is, I think the temperature in the kiln was too high, so the bottom looks in this direction. So I'm sorry, but here the feet was not, the fixation of the feet was not good, and they break, so same problem, feet. It's a lot of work, but important is that we learn from our mistakes, and this is a typical mistake what I have, and I solved it. I solved the problem in the last weeks, but at the beginning here it's the same. I had a lot of problems with fixation of the feet, and we can't sell it. Here same feet. Glaze is very nice, structure is nice, pot is nice. We cannot sell that. Okay, and so Mr. Hammer is our quality controller, and now today it's a hard day because here on this dragon I work 4 days, but the dragon has two or three problems. We have a little crack here. I have a little crack here on the hand, and this feed, the direction of the feed was wrong, but I saw that after firing. So the same, it breaks my heart, but first what we can do, and you can see that it's not so easy. Now the problem for me is solved. I will not think about again if I can use it or not. Now it's ready. And the same here, this pot, I think in our wood-fired kiln temperature was too high, so you see the deformation. This is what we must do. And so on. I will not, it will be boring for you to see what I'm doing, but this is the only way what you can do with such pots. If you want to produce good quality pots, you must accept that pots with small mistakes you must destroy. This is the best what you can do, and yeah. But the most important thing for me is that I learn from these mistakes. In one video from YouTube, I hear one potter from Tokoname, and he told the visitors that the best teacher for him was his mistakes, and I can fully agree with that. The most important thing is that you learn, and then from day to day, from week to week, and from year to year, you will become, you will make better and better pots. So I wish you a good time, and yeah, it was impressive, but don't be sad. I will make new pots, and I hope better one. Bye bye.